about to play a dangerous game with the federal government, and I want to tell you all the things you need to look out for in case you see some TikTok tricks and hacks in order to remove those student loans from your credit report, thinking that that is going to save you. Hi, my name is Jasmine, and I had my student loans go to collections, and I luckily rehabilitated them, brought them into good standing, and now they are the most perfect thing on my credit report because it really makes me look creditworthy. And the accounts that were in collections, gone. Now, you might be thinking a cease and desist letter is probably going to help you out of this, but I want to let you know right now, the federal government's not giving these to LVNV, Midland, or even Portfolio Recoveries. They're bringing in a private debt collector, and that debt collector is literally only there to collect on behalf of the federal government, very similar to your loan servicer. You might think, well, the FDCPA, I can sue them for harassment and hopefully get these student loans forgiven. That can be further from the truth. The FDCPA, while does say that the debt collector, who is that third party, needs to follow the law, a lot of the protections that would exist because LVNV brought your charge-off Capital One credit card don't, because some of this doesn't bind the federal government to the debt collector and however they're operating. Even down to the cease and desist letter that people tell you to send in order to get a debt collector off your back. That letter may stop the calls, but it won't stop the collection. And while your typical debt buyer, debt collector combo needs to sue you in court in order to start garnishing your wages and cannot garnish your wages if you are in a state that has wage garnishment protection, the federal government is retaining ownership of these loans, meaning they don't need to sue you to collect. They don't care where you live to collect. They never have to stop trying to collect it. And there's no federal statute of limitations that will stop them from having to take you to court if it comes to it. Let's not forget, they can also take your taxes. Don't ignore the notices. Look into options that you might have, and that could be rehabilitation or it could be consolidation. Just make a move so you can at least stay in control of how your money comes in and out of your bank account or your paycheck.